Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Learning Channel. I'm Leo, 29 years old, joining you today from Chicago. I'm really excited because today's lesson is one of the most important skills for becoming fluent.
And I'm Julia, speaking to you from Austin, Texas. If you've ever listened to real English and thought, why do they speak so fast? Why can't I catch the words? Then today's episode is made for you.
Fast English feels hard for three main reasons. Native speakers blend words together, they drop sounds, and they speak in chunks, not individual words.
And there's one more reason. You're used to hearing slow, clear, teacher-style English, but real conversation is messy and quick. Example, I don't know what you mean becomes, I don't know what you mean. Big difference, right?
Connected speech is when words join together. Let's practice this. I'll say slow first, then natural speed. Do you want to go? Do you want to go? What are you doing? What you doing? Let me see it. Let me see it. Did you eat yet? Did you eat yet? I don't know about it. I don't know about it.
Here are 5 more. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. I am going to call him. I'ma call him. That is what I meant. That's what I meant. I'll talk to you later. Talk to you later. She has to do it. She has to do it. Repeat after us. This helps train your ear. Textbook English rarely uses contractions. Native speakers use them all the time. I would have. I would have. It is not. It's not. He will. He'll.
And of course, going to, gonna. Want to, wanna. Have to, have to. These make English sound much faster. Once you learn them, everything becomes clearer. Let's compare a simple sentence. I am going to get something to eat because I am hungry. Real English, I'm gonna get something to eat because I'm hungry. Another one. Do you want to come with us? Real English, do you want to come with us? Hear the difference? That's the key to understanding fast English. I'll say a natural sentence. You repeat it exactly. Hey, what are you up to today? Do you want to grab lunch? I'm gonna head out in a minute. Hold on, let me check.
Now a second round. Slightly faster. Where'd you put my keys? I'll call you right back. We should go earlier. Did you hear the news? Shadowing improves listening and pronunciation.
I'll read a short paragraph at natural speed. Don't try to understand every word, just the meaning. Yesterday was crazy. I woke up late, spilled coffee on my shirt, missed the bus, and ended up running half the way to work. And then my boss asked why I was sweating.
Now, let's break it into chunks. Yesterday was crazy. I woke up late, spilled coffee on my shirt, missed the bus, and ended up running half the way to work. And then my boss asked why I was sweating. Chunking helps you understand faster.
Native speakers use idea blocks, not individual words. Examples. I don't know. 1 chunk. Give me a sec. 1 chunk. Hold on. 1 chunk. Let me check. 1 chunk. When you train your ear to hear chunks, you understand full sentences instantly. We will read 3 short natural conversations. Listen first. Don't repeat yet. Dialogue 1. Coffee shop. Hey, can I get a medium latte?
Sure thing. You want it hot or iced?
Iced, please. And could you add vanilla?
Yeah, no problem. That'll be $5.50.
Dialogue 2. Planning to hang out. What you doing later?
Nothing much. Want to go watch a movie?
Yeah, I'm down. What time?
Let's go around 7-ish.
Dialogue 3. Work conversation. Hey, did you finish the report?
Almost.
I'ma send it in like 5 minutes.
Cool. Let me know when it's done.
Will do.
I'll say a fast sentence. You think of the slow version. Did you see that? Did you see that? I'm gonna call you later. I am going to call you later. What you think? What do you think?
Your turn. Fast? Give me a sec. Slow? Give me a second. Fast? Let me know. Slow? Let me know. You're doing great.
Pick a scene from a movie you like. Only 30 to 60 seconds. Watch it with no subtitles first. Then watch again with subtitles. Then repeat the sentences.
Some great movies for English learners. Spider-Man. The Pursuit of Happiness. The Intern. Home Alone. La La Land. Inside Out. Choose something fun so you enjoy learning.
American English has many accents. Chicago, New York, Texas, California, all different. Don't worry if some accents feel harder. Your ears will adjust with time. Start with one accent you like, then slowly add others.
Here's a listening trick. When you hear something, imagine it like a movie in your mind. Let's try it. We'll read a short story.
Mark woke up late, grabbed a banana, and ran out the door.
He jumped into his car, turned the key, and nothing happened.
He groaned, got out, and started running toward the train station.
And when he arrived, the train had just left.
Try replaying the story mentally. This helps your listening skills grow fast.
Where have you been? Why didn't you call? I've been waiting for you.
Let's get out of here. That sounds good. See you later.
You do not need 100% understanding. Even native speakers miss words.
If you understood the idea, you succeeded. That's how real-world listening works.
Today you learned connected speech, contractions, fast English patterns, chunking, shadowing, mini stories, movie method, rewind technique, real-life dialogues. If you practice 10 minutes a day, your listening will transform.
Thank you for learning with us on English Learning Channel. Your listening skills are improving every single day.
You're doing amazing. Keep listening, keep learning, and keep believing in yourself. We'll see you in the next episode.